How to attach a picture in PDF. Let's get started. First, open the Chrome browser. Then tap on the search bar and search for Sejda PDF Editor. You will see it as the first website. Click on it. Now you will see the option Upload PDF File. Select the PDF file in which you want to add an image and click the Open button. Your PDF content will appear on the screen. On the top bar, click on Images, then select New Image. Locate the image on your computer, choose it, and click Open. Now drag and drop the image onto your PDF file. You can resize and adjust the image according to your requirements. Once you are satisfied with the image placement and size, click on the Apply Changes button. Then click on the Download button. After the download is complete, open the new PDF file and scroll down to see the added image. That's it, a quick and easy tutorial on adding an image to a PDF file. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.